Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Let's start eating. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for joining us today. Today we have a feast as usual. We have Cornish hen, jerk Cornish hen with some rice and peas, some asparagus, and my husband's special sauce.
Big up sauce. Yeah.
And then I had a corn left from our seafood boil and I wanted to eat it. My husband didn't want corn, so this is all mine.
Yes. Let's start eating.
All right, guys. We're going to start eating real soon. But just check out my outfit of the day real quick.
Where you at? Slim waist, ass fat. Black girls, where you at? Throw it back, make it clap. Yeah. Uh-huh. Yeah. Uh-huh. Yoo-hoo, girl, shake it with your chocolate ass.
We're back. I hope you like first lady can't talk.
Come because you ate the food. That's
First
why.
lady outfit of the day because I love it. I can't stop look.
Ooh, okay, guys. As usual. Oh, can I have a spoon, my love?
Yeah, that's a spoon. Yeah.
We are hungry.
Yeah.
So we're going to dig in and I'm going to put some of this delicious gravy on my rice. The asparagus.
Yep. I'm back to normal now.
In one day?
2 days.
2 days?
That's a far. Up to the man. But they are Thursday, man.
Oh, yeah, man. We forget.
How much is that?
2.
What you think? One
really
leave right here?
good.
Okay, you sure? Let me take it out.
The spoon?
Take the spoon out. Come on, nothing to know right now.
Alright, guys.
Nothing to plug out.
Let me show you guys this chicken.
Show them.
Man, it's so juicy. It's falling off the bone. But I gotta show you guys. I got to.
Yeah, and that was done in the oven. Easiest way to make jerk chicken. You know what I'm saying?
Oh!
Easiest way. So you can't say you can't make it now. In the oven I did it. I like it. Yeah.
Cornish hen.
Cornish hen?
It's so tender.
Wow. Looking for the nice, you know?
Yeah, man.
That's the easier here. Nice.
You gotta get yourself, honey.
How's the sauce?
Delicious. As usual.
Everything tastes good? Good.
Okay. It's just falling off. Look at that.
I can drop off my board.
If you've never had Cornish hen before,
Try it, for real.
try it.
It's a small chicken though.
Yes.
It's worth it. It's real good.
It really is.
My gosh, first lady.
Asparagus. That's good one.
That outfit of the day had me feeling some type of way.
Yeah? You like it?
I love it. Yeah. I love it, first lady.
I'm glad you like it.
I said love.
Oh, my bad.
I love are two different words.
You love it. My husband love it, he said.
Asparagus are nice too.
Could be a little bit crispier, but
Good.
it's still good.
Fine.
One thing about asparagus,
Yeah.
I think I said this before. As soon as you put it in the oven and you can start to smell it,
Take it out.
it basically cooks. It takes that quick. Now these bones
Yeah.
are gonna have flavor in them.
Don't say it.
Guys, if you want to see how my husband prepared this jerk Cornish hen, there's a video. I'm gonna link it up here.
Or down here.
Or down there. You know everything said. Check it out. It's a very simple video. You know?
Simple and easy.
Simple and easy.
Anybody could do this. It's basically baking a chicken or barbecuing chicken, but you just put jerk sauce on it. You understand?
So however you like to season
Yes.
your barbecue chicken or your whatever chicken, you do the same seasoning, just add jerk sauce to it.
Jerk sauce to it.
That's the easy thing.
You know what I'm saying? See how that look? Oh man, looks nice. Look how easy that come off.
That's a good way to describe it.
Yeah. Same with bacon. You just gotta use your judgment, you know?
Exactly. Maybe I might call, you know. Put some butter upon it. Ooh.
Y'all know I'm gonna ask. How was your Thursday? Cause you can see. I was just popping.
You know, so you scared me just now?
What?
Or eat my corn. I thought you were gonna say, I know you're gonna ask. I know y'all know I'm gonna ask a piece of her corn. I'm about to say no. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna give you some money. You want some?
I want no corn. I want to eat kind of seafood.
I love corn. Off the bone.
Off the bone, you see? You see when we get that grill back, girl?
Oh man.
It's a wrap. Damn. First lady. I'm so happy.
Your mouth is back.
Yes.
It was honestly, family, it was kind of weird seeing him not be able to eat so fast. You know?
Where does it mean that I eat so fast?
For real. We're eating so slow.
Y'all really think I eat fast?
Yeah, man.
Y'all think I eat fast?
Yeah.
Or she just lying?
And
You think so for real? Calm it down.
You don't eat
If
fast.
she eat fast.
Honey, you don't eat fast. You nyam fast.
Nah, but nyam fast.
You nyam fast.
No man. I'm nyam fast.
I don't know how you do it. I can't believe that you don't bite that. This is what the 40th video we've done. This is the first time you bit your tongue. Actually, you didn't even bite your tongue. Somebody hit you.
Yeah, I ain't bite my tongue.
I'm surprised you didn't bite your tongue a long time ago.
Can't bite my tongue when I get money. Yeah, we know you're gonna bite your tongue. Look at it. That is.
Ooh.
Family, telling you, I want to see y'all make this. The video is there, so do your thing. Cause, as I said before, there's bacon chicken.
I can't even talk.
I know. She ain't talking, you know?
A Cornish hen is like $3 for one. So it's a budget-friendly meal too.
Yeah.
Because you already have rice in your house, you know, and I know you have some vegetable.
Sure do.
So, it's
Wait.
so tender.
I know. See my favorite part here? What's my favorite part?
The breast.
Yeah, you know it. Don't stress the rest. I thought you finished your water already. Alright, let's go get the next one. Oh yeah. I just want to eat. I'm back.
I'm back.
I'm back. This sauce is so good. You know, some of the back of that sauce there and sauce, Ellie.
Oh, for real? It's simple.
Simple sauce. What the season is.
And the bones are little, so it's like all the seasoning is
Yeah.
inside that bone with no problem.
Damn, perfect.
Look at that. Even the wing part are drop off. I'm glad your mouth is What's your
Mama,
that food would escape.
Yo, I'm tasting all that seasoning. Oh.
Yes. Would you guys believe that I made this in the oven? For paper.
Yeah.
I just threw it in the oven for like 20 minutes while I was getting ready.
Everything could go in the oven.
Yeah.
Comment down below if you had jerk chicken before. Let me see.
I think everyone's had jerk chicken.
You think so? Let's see.
I think so.
I don't think so.
Because every time somebody say two things, jerk chicken and patty.
Patty.
Let's see. You know some meals of patty too, yeah? Jerk chicken and patty.
You love patty with your fat patty. You enjoying it?
So much.
Good.
And we was hungry.
Yep. First lady enjoying it. If she enjoying, I'm loving it.
It's gravy.
And this gravy right here, family, could go on anything. Anything you cook.
Because really and truly, right, honey, that's the same sauce
Yeah.
or very similar to your Bobby fry. Right? Or your jerk Bobby jerk.
Yeah. Jerk Bobby fry. So if you didn't see that jerk Bobby fry video, go and check it out.
Because the only time we made jerk anything besides like plain jerk, not jerk Bobby fry, is when we did the jerk iguana. That was a while ago
That was
too.
a long time, because we haven't eaten jerk in a minute. Yeah, man. Yeah. Rice nice too, man.
Rice and peas. You know, we don't have rice. We have rice and peas. In the Jamaican culture, rice and peas is on a Saturday, a Sunday.
Sunday dinner.
Or Sunday dinner. Saturday is soup day.
Come on.
What? The corn's up. Look at that. Isn't that perfect? I like the corn that has the white and yellow. I feel like it's sweeter. I think it's sweeter. Or the plain white one, my favorite one. Listen, guys, I know you're sitting there saying to yourself, I wonder how that tastes. However you're thinking, how good it is, it's true. It's that good.
And y'all could make it.
Very simple.
It's not hard.
Yeah.
Simple dish. Easiest way is in the oven, as I told you before. On the grill now it's different. Cause you don't want to overcook it on the grill.
And dry it out.
Dry it out too much. You're gonna know how to do it on the grill. So when it's that grill time, I'm gonna hook it up for y'all. Make y'all see how we get down on that grill. Yeah.
We're gonna get one soon.
That's not a bucket list to get that grill.
A bucket list, right?
Cause they don't make grills like I used to before.
No.
Okay?
They'll make nothing.
Nothing. These
That's how I
grills,
used to make before.
these grills is too flimsy. They break apart too quick. Not even break apart, they rust too fast, no matter what you do.
Honey, you know, so we selling oil?
Huh.
We sound old. I'm just saying,
No, man.
they don't make things like they used to. Like we all 60 years old.
We are old.
Speak for yourself.
We are old, but we ain't 50.
I'm young.
Comment down below how old first lady you think first lady is.
So why you gonna use my age? Why not comment how old we think you are? You say you still?
Comment down below and tell me how old you think I am, and comment down below if you tell them how old first lady is. But we ain't gonna tell you if you're right or wrong. We're gonna tell you closer. What do you think, first lady? Let's see.
I'm just curious to see how old they think we are.
Yeah. I want to see.
I'm curious.
I want to see for real. Yeah, man. Chicken butter.
That's a very delicate chicken too.
Very.
But honey, this kind of chicken, I feel like it's easy to over season. You know?
No. You gotta know, right? Remember, It's jerk. The jerk season is the season right.
No, I mean, but
Or-
like, what if they want to stew it or curry it or
Just run through this.
yeah.
Use your judgment. I can't tell them what to put in there.
That's true.
Season to always to your liking.
Mm-hmm. That's true. That's true. That's true.
The way we might season our food, you might not do it the same way. You feel what I'm saying?
Right.
So you gotta do what you like. You know? But
Because it's just like the recipe that I made yesterday.
yeah,
Even though it was kind of daunting.
yeah.
I don't like cilantro. I don't like. I just don't like it. And I think because some places, like for instance, Chipotle,
Yeah.
they put so much.
They put a lot. They come like cilantro rice.
They should call Chipotle cilantro pote.
Yeah, for real. Because it.
A
I put
beer.
a lot- yeah, cilantro.
Every dish is cilantro. You can't get away from it. So but it's still good though.
Real good.
Oh, I want to take out the story time. Now,
Tell them.
this story is not about, this story is not the one that I forgot yesterday.
Yeah, it's not the one. We still trying to remember it.
Guys, we still can't,
I'm trying to go in our brain.
we still can't remember. I don't know what it is.
But it was a good one.
It was a good one.
Let them know this one. This one's good too.
Okay.
This one is more than good.
So, this is a half a chicken left, honey?
Yeah.
I thought I ate a whole chicken just now.
My swampy. I'll take what you want and just I eat the rest.
I just want the
Eat
leg.
the leg, I know.
No, I like the leg. What's up, y'all? I don't...
Look at chicken, them man.
Yeah, man.
Look at chicken bigger than you.
So, I'm going to tell you guys about the time that I lost my wedding ring. Well, it was my engagement ring at the time. And I know that I went to go wash my hands. And when you just got newly engaged, you're all excited. You don't want too much lotion or soap or whatever to get on your hands.
True talk.
Or on your ring.
Yeah.
Okay? And so I went ahead and I washed my hands. I think I was in the bathroom somewhere, either at work or somewhere. And I took off my ring. I don't know why I did that. I took off my ring and I put it down and I washed my hands and I dried my hands and everything like that. And I guess because they didn't have any paper towel. You know, some bathrooms don't have paper towel. They have that machine that you gotta dry your hand. I don't like those. I like napkins, so whatever. So I went into the stall to get a tissue and dry my hands.
Yeah.
And I left. And about maybe 30 minutes later, I'm like, what the hell? Where's my ring? And I'm thinking to myself, where did I put my ring? Where did I put my ring? Where did I put it? Where did I put it? And I said, oh my God, I had took it off and I washed my hands in the bathroom. And I went back in there, the ring was not there. I looked everywhere in that bathroom, even places where I didn't even go. In the bathroom I was looking, the ring wasn't there. So I told my husband what happened. Of course he was upset, and he got me a new ring. Not right then and there, but he got me a new ring. And the ring was beautiful, don't get me wrong, it was beautiful. But I kept on, the one that he bought me the first time was my favorite ring. I love that ring so much, always talked about it.
True.
So when he got me a new ring, of course I loved that ring and I was appreciative that he got me a new ring even though I lost my ring. But I still kept on saying that was my favorite ring. I really just want my ring back. So fast forward now, we renewed our vows. So now we've been renewed our vows 10 years.
Yeah.
So in total we've been married 10 years, no 11 years. But when we hit 10 years, we renewed our vows.
Yeah.
And so he got me a new ring, a really, really nice ring. I know you guys are like, oh my God, how many rings this guy got you? Hey, I'm the first lady.
She's first lady.
So he got me a new ring, and that ring was beautiful, 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 beautiful. And he re-proposed to me, got on one knee, and he asked me to marry him in our bathroom and everything like that. Everything was beautiful, and we got married again. But every time we go to the store or on TV, a ring that looks similar to the original ring that I had. Now mind you, he gave me that ring probably like 15 years ago. I'm still keep on saying, oh my God, I wish I had my original ring. I wish I had my original ring. Unbeknownst to me, this whole time, my husband has been looking for the ring. I didn't know that. So every time he goes somewhere, a jewelry store or something, he goes and he looks to see if he can see the ring. Now, this ring that I have on my finger now is like 99.9, almost to exact the same ring. The only difference, my baby upgraded me.
Upgraded things like Beyonce.
He upgraded me. And then when we got married, we renewed our vows. He got me the band and the engagement ring together. But then about a year later, he said to me that the original ring was for when he proposed to me, and then the first band was when we got married, but then he wants a band for when we renewed our vow.
Yeah.
You know, a year ago or 2 years ago. So he found another band to go with it. It's the exact band. And so that's how my ring came about.
Yeah.
This is my favorite ring.
I know, it is. You love it because you don't want to take it off now.
No? Me wash, me beard, me clean.
Everything she do with that ring.
Everything on this ring.
Yeah. She not take you off, you know?
To the point where Richie's like, Sharice, you have to take the ring off. You can't be doing yard work in the ring. I said, well, I'm going to get me a glove. I find me a glove because I not take it off, you know? Me not take it off.
She not take you off. Stop on her finger, man.
But I really appreciate that, honey. I had no idea all these years. And then looking back at it, I know he must have been like, this damn girl. If she only knew that I've been looking for this friggin' ring. Because I'm always like, look, honey, that looks just like my ring.
I listen.
Look, me kiss. Yeah. You know you have food in your mouth. I still love you, though.
Yeah. Listen. I listen, family. See? That's why she's the first lady.
But for real.
Yeah. That's
I
why
was
she's the
very
first
happy.
lady.
Very, very happy. And I could not believe that he found the ring.
Yep, right now, that ring can't come up. See her finger right now, first lady. I said first lady.
First lady.
Family. But yeah, that's the story about that. I might give you a story tomorrow on Fast Food Friday. What y'all think? Y'all want to hear it?
I want to hear what's it about.
You want to hear it? I'll tell them on Fast Food Friday. But yeah, that was it. Yeah, you can eat your food. I did a long story. Nice, right? Some brush on your chicken.
Your chicken done already?
Chicken done.
I bet chicken you have left.
Be a chicken. Be a freaky chicken, me have left one.
But
No?
the fact that he hunted down this ring.
Yep. If you never watch our live, how we talk about how we met, you need to go watch it. We're coming from far, 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 far. Alright, family? So all for the new subscribers who never seen that live how we met, go check it out.
AKA the stalker.
First lady right here. Stalker. Wow.
I'm calling done mine.
Get done. Yeah.
Honey, this was delicious.
Thank you.
You did a great
It
job.
was good. I'm so happy I'm back.
You still happy saying that Tom?
No man, me and Jerry.
Yeah, Jerry for you. Inside joke. Jinx.
Later on, we let you know what that mean. And later on down the line. Sometimes she call me Tom and I call her Jerry. I'll let y'all know what that means.
What's a lot of secrets?
We appreciate y'all as always. Y'all know that, right? Okay. Don't forget though, I got you, to like, comment, subscribe, and we shared with y'all today. You know what I'm saying? First, do your thing.
I know that there are millions of YouTubers out there, and we appreciate you taking the time to watch us. You guys have a great day, and we will see you next time for another mukbang. Bye.